Extract files from multiple folders. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open folders. Simply add in the folders you want to add. After you've done that, simply go to search in folders and search star. After you've done that, it will show you all the files. Simply remove the files that you don't want in the folder by simply selecting on it in this way. Select and simply paste it somewhere else or simply delete it. And this is how to extract files from multiple folders. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.